Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on or off the always on display in this device. Okay, for this simply go to settings, then scroll down, then here you can see the option display and brightness. Tap on this one. Okay, then again scroll down. Here you can see the option always on display. Tap on this one. Now the always on display is enabled in this device. Okay, you can customize this one. If you want to view that always on display with your wallpaper, then you need to turn on this one. If you want to view the notification when the always on display is enabled, then you need to turn on this one. Okay, let me show you. Now you can see the always on display is enabled with the wallpaper in this device. So here I am going to disable that wallpaper option. Now you can see the wallpaper is not there. Okay, if I disable this one, you can see the always on display is not there, it is turned off. So here I am going to again enable this one. You can see. So simply in this way you can easily turn on or off the always on display in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.